I acknowledge the presence of other faiths on my planet. Indeed, right here in my city, town, or village. I acknowledge that the followers of these faiths feel as strongly, maybe more so, than I do about mine. I forgive the other faiths and wipe clean the slate between us. I cannot hold a person responsible for the acts of their faith. I cannot hold a faith at fault for individual practitioners. It is not my place to convert or otherwise alter a person's religion. I invite discussion of beliefs without judgment of those holding them. I acknowledge that I may be wrong, and I have found comfort in the fact that I may be right. I am the circle around me, because I am the divine presence projected around and within me. I am protected, sustained, and enlightened by this great magic circle of protection and light. I am the one who manifests the goals and dreams that are in my heart. I see in my yearly cycle of celebrations my birth, death, and rebirth, and know that this cycle is followed by everything that exists. I use magic and power, peace and wisdom, and I send my rays of blessings to other hearts and minds. Spellsate.com is a unique and beautiful experience of mindful learning for all beginner witches and pagan seekers. Cast the perfect spell tonight by tracking lunar phases and transits. Get daily inspiration from Daily Wiccan Devotionals, or create an account to access a complete library of modern spells, guided meditations, and group celebrations. Work out your magic